everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the third day for the question practice, and the question for you is that by which of the following processes enzyme helps to lower down the activation energy in any reaction. I repeat the question, by which of the following processes enzyme helps to lower down the activation energy in any reaction. You have four options for the same. The very first option is by forming covalent interactions with the substrate. Second option is by changing the equilibria time. The third option is by binding only to the solvent molecules. And the fourth option is by forming weak interactions with the substrate molecules. So you have to listen to the question and understand the options very nicely in order to answer this particular question. And from this particular question, you can understand that enzymes topic is very important. If you analyze the previous year questions, you will see that many times this particular topic is repeated. So you need to have a very good grip over this particular topic. In addition to how does it lower down the energy, if you wish, you can note down or you can point out other important points as well in the comment sections for your revision, and also so that the students in the comment box can interact with themselves and understand the concept in a much better way. So this was about this particular question. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck. I'll see you soon. Bye.